collect of Pass-A-Grille Women's Club. This is by Mary Stewart, organised in 1922. Keep us, O God, from pettiness. Let us be large in thought, in word and in deed. Let us be done with fault-finding and leave off self-seeking. May we put away all pretense and meet each other face to face, without self-pity and without prejudice. May we never be hasty in judgment and always generous. Teach us to put into action our better impulses, straightforward and unafraid. Let us take time, for all things make us grow calm, serene and gentle. Grant that we may realize it is in the little things that create differences, that in the big things of life we are one. And may we strive to touch and to know the great common woman's heart of us all. And oh Lord, let us never forget to be kind. So that's my prayer for the Pass-A-Grille Women's Club and on its celebration of its 100th anniversary.